Q2 here says that a TV has side lengths of x and x plus 12. So if we look at our TV, this is the shorter side. So this side would be x, and then this side over here would be x plus 12. And then placed in a cabinet with an 88 centimeter diagonal measure. Well, the diagonal measure is going to be from here to here, and we know that that's going to be 88. So if we look, we have a right triangle here, and in my right triangle, this bottom length is going to be x plus 12 plus the extra 10 centimeters here and the extra 10 centimeters here. So this whole bottom length then is going to be x plus 12 plus 10 plus 10, and the length this direction is going to be the 10 here, the x here, and then 10 here. So that's going to be x plus 20 for my x plus 10 plus 10. Since this is a right triangle, I can use Pythagorean theorem. So I'll have x plus, that's going to be 32 squared, plus x plus 20 squared, and that's going to be equal to 88 squared. And then I can expand this and solve to find my value of x. Once I've done that, it says what are the dimensions of the largest TV. So my end dimensions are going to be x by x plus 12 centimeters. So when I'm going to expand this, I'll get x squared plus 64x plus whatever 32 squared is, plus x squared plus 40x plus 20 squared is 400 equals 88 squared. This is a calculator problem, so I'm going to solve it using my Polysymult. So I'm going to go to Apps and Polysymult. Press any key. Root Finder. It's a quadratic. So my ax squared, well, I've got x squared plus x squared, so I'll have 2x squared. Down here, I'm going to have 64 plus 40 is 104 for the x's. And then for my third value, I'm going to have 32 squared plus 20 squared minus 88 squared. So I'm just going to write that in. 32 squared plus 20 squared minus 88 squared, and the calculator will calculate that for me. And now I can solve, and I get two x values. And of course, the negative x value doesn't make sense. So x is either, and it says to the nearest centimeter. So to the nearest centimeter, I've either got 36 or negative 88. But of course, that doesn't make sense because it has to be positive. So my dimensions are going to be 36 by 48 centimeters.